Doug, what's up, dude? It's Andy.
Hey, did you like my little scare tactic there?
No, you said you're ticked off. What's up, dude? What is it?
No, did you read the whole thing?
No, I just saw the beginning. What is it? Tell me. Sorry.
Oh, it's a joke.
Oh,
You
okay.
gotta read the whole text.
Oh, okay, what's up? What
You
is
gotta
it?
read the whole text. Yeah, I sold my first one off of an ad.
Off the Facebook remarketing?
Yeah, and then
Did you make some money?
and then yeah, $5 grand front end, and then he sent me pictures. I got pictures of his trade, put them out there. Got somebody coming to look at that. I got
Oh,
one of my repeat customers called in on another card that you seen out there on it, which somebody was, well, he's your customer. Yeah, I've sold him 4 cars, but
Yeah, but he
so
saw
what?
you. He could
He's
find
seen
you.
the ad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
he's
love
seen
it.
the ad. So, and then I said at the end, so I'm ticked off at myself for not doing this sooner.
Ah, love it, dude. Okay, I'm sorry. I just saw that for 2 seconds. And I told my wife I'd call you. Dude, that's awesome, man. That's so badass. Okay. Hey, so number one, you made a bunch of money. You're just getting warmed up. And Facebook remarketing is already making you money. I love it, dude. And then
Thanks, sir. So yeah, reread that ad so you can get the gist of it.
I love it. And then when we go to the seminar, we're going to take it to the whole next level.
Yeah.
I love it, man. I'm proud of you, dude. Okay, well, crush it. Have a great Thanksgiving. So you're killing it off Facebook remarketing, and you've only been doing it how many days?
And I want to put 4 cars out.
And how many days you've been doing it?
6.
Yeah, and you've already made a $5,000 deal, and you've got your day set up.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, dude. I love you, bro. Have a good day. Call me if you need anything. Have a great Thanksgiving. All right, brother.
I will.
Bye-bye. There we go. Facebook remarketing right there. You got Doug out of Iowa. Been doing it 6 days. Put 4 cars out on the marketplace. It's the day before Thanksgiving. He's got his whole day set up. He spent no money on advertising, and guess what? He just hit his first 5-pounder on there. He's already got the trade sold. Guys, send me a text, 918-210-0254. This is real life. This can be you. Quit putting it off. And when Doug learns how to get out there and really utilize this, Doug will never take a fresh up again. He's going to kill it. Hey, nice talking to you, Doug. Look at the kids. Say hi. Hey, say subscribe.